So my roommate's estranged alcohol-loving uncle died, and this was his cook bag of recipes. I've written down every chapter on this wheel, and I'm gonna make one. I'm David Zarko, and this is Dead Greg's Recipes. Sauce salads. This is the sauce salads bag, and we are making Sparklin Tater. What? Okay, Sparklin Tater, Sprite in Dutch oven, bake, onion, pepper, hammer bacon. I don't know how that's a sauce or a salad, definitely not a sauce salad, but here we are. Chopped up the taters, soaked them for like an hour, popped that in the Dutch oven, and then it was time for the onion, new mandolin. For the pepper section, I went with green pepper and one serrano. I cooked those together, salt and pepper always. I mix those in and check out this bacon reveal. Oh my God. After adding the bacon to the Dutch oven, there was only one final ingredient. Luckily, I didn't need the full 2 liters anyway, just enough to cover everything. And after an hour of drinking, we get to serve it up and see what the roommate thinks. This is Sparklin Taters.
Okay. What's sparkling about it?
So what you do is you go to Walmart and you buy a Dutch oven and you pour 2 liters of Sprite into it, and then
that's what all this juice is?
It's the hottest thing I've ever tried to taste in my life.
Well, it's in a Dutch oven.
This is actually good.
So you're telling me all this juice is, I mean, not all of it, but most of it's Sprite?
This is just Sprite and then potato. That's it. That's all that's in here.
It's pretty good. Well, the bacon's great.
Pepper too. Green pepper and serrano peppers.
There's one.
I should have cut that up more. I mean, I know.
Said Sprite. I was like, no.
This is so good. 3, 2, 1. 7, 9. I went 8, 6. Honestly, I think 8, 4 is what I wanted to write.
This has a little bit of sweetness to it, and the onions came out really good.
Next time on Dead Greg's.
Nice.
Damn, I'm surprised you scored as low as you did.
7, 9 is good.
We're getting out of control with these scores.
We're getting out of control.
We've lost our damn minds. Hello, that's the end of the video. I'm just trying to reach the 3-minute mark on YouTube, so here I am spending time with you. I appreciate your view. Until next time on Dead Greg's.